Our next model on BrassTrains.com is item 064714. This is from Key Imports. It is a USRA 482 Heavy Mountain Short Tender. It is custom painted as a Norfolk and Western, road number 117, the pre-war K2 scheme. The tender is not decaled, as you'll see, and there's a lot of wear on the paint and paint chips. This has a can motor that powers it. The lights are not wired as of yet, and there's no window glazing. There is good backhead detail, and we'll show you how it runs. And this model is available at BrassTrains.com. The item number again to look for is 064714.